Hello children, good afternoon. Today we have maths class. So we continue our lesson number 1, spatial understanding. After studying this unit, you can use the vocabulary of spatial relationship such as top, bottom, on, under, inside, outside. Till here we have done our class last week. So today we will continue from above, below, near, far, before and after. Okay. Take page number 10. Above, below. Eyes are below the eyebrows. Eyes are below the eyebrows. Mouth is below the nose. Mouth is below the nose. Nose is above the mouth. Nose is above the mouth. Eyebrows are above the eyes. Eyebrows are above the eyes. Lamp is above the table. Lamp is above the table. Table is below the lamp. Table is below the lamp. A circus artist is holding the rod above his head. Where he is holding the rod? He above his head. A circus artist is holding the rod above his head. A girl is watching from below. A girl is watching from below. Take right the bird flying above the tree. See here, there are two birds flying. So take right the bird flying above the tree. So you have to take here above the tree. Color the ball above the head of the joker. See, color the ball above the head of the joker. Joker and 4 balls are here. So you have to color this one. Take right the bird flying below the kite. Take right the bird flying below the kite. Take right the butterfly below the flower. See here, two butterflies are there above the flower and below the flower. So take right the below the flower. Near, far. Mother is near the child. See here, mother is near the child. Moon is far away from the child. Moon is far away from the child. Ravi is standing near the swing. See here, Ravi is standing near the swing. Mary is standing far from the swing. Mary is standing far from the swing. Bird is near the tree. See here, bird. Sheep is far from the tree. Here, sheep is far from the tree. Bird is near from the tree. Near the tree. Sheep is near the pond. Sheep is near the pond. Bird is far from the pond. Far from the pond. Color the deer near the pond. There is a two deer. So you color this one near the pond. Color the deer near the pond. Near to it. You have to color this one. Color the butterfly far from the flower. There are two butterflies. So you color far. Far from the flower. It's far. A boy is playing with two cars. color the car near him green and the car far from him blue. A boy is playing with two cars. Color the car near him in green. You have to color this car in green color, and the car far from him, you have to color this one blue. Before, after. Candle before lighting. Before lighting candle is like this. Candle after lighting. After lighting the candle like this. Flower pot before lighting. Before lighting the flower pot is like this. Flower pot after lighting. After lighting the flower pot is like this. Wash the mango before eating. Wash the mango before eating. Eat the mango after washing. See here. Eat the mango after washing. You have to eat the mangoes after washing. Take right the activity that comes before. Take right the activity that comes before. Which one? Brushing. One girl is brushing here and one is wake up. So you have to tick down here. Wake up. Take right the activity that comes after. First cook, then eat. So tick here, right. So you have completed lesson number 1, spatial understanding, children. Learn well thoroughly from page number 1 to 15. Learn well. Complete the lessons, notes and everything. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.